Hey guys, we are back with an interesting recipe again, and this is a super light one. You get a solid snack serving with just under 150 calories. Not just that, this one is packed with nutrition, it's super refreshing to taste, and it's vegan too. Eating snacks and meals like this will keep you super filled while helping you reach your ideal weight. All this while you munch on yummy stuff. Our recipe today is a healthy snack alternative in the occasions like potluck or any family gatherings. Just be a little mindful about the sodium intake, otherwise, it's packed with vitamins and minerals. So, let's get cooking. We want our leaves to be as big as possible. So, I'm separating and collecting the leaves from the top layers. Trim out the hard stem at the bottom of the leaf so it's easy to chew and doesn't interfere with folding. Boil these leaves in the hot water for about 5 minutes or until they turn just soft so they are easy to fold without breaking. That's our outer layer. Now let's get to the stuffing part. To a pan on medium flame, add oil and wait until it's hot. Add thinly chopped chilies and onions along with a little bit of salt and fry until golden brown. Add tomatoes and mushrooms and stir for 5 minutes or until it gives off some moisture. Add the spices, and now is the good time to add our corn as it cooks perfectly in this oozed out liquid. As the boiled cabbage leaf already holds some moisture, we want our stuffing to be dry for that perfect balance between sogginess and dryness. So stir for few more minutes until the liquid dries out. Now let it cool before folding. Arrange 2 tablespoons of stuffing in the center of the leaf and add some glass noodles. This adds an interesting texture and add it only if you like it. Now fold this into a little pocket or like a spring roll. Once done with folding, move them to a steamer and steam for about 5 minutes. Honestly, this is completely optional. If you like the half-cooked flavor of the cabbage or wanted it to be a little crunchy, you can totally skip this step. I just like how the steam makes the spiciness seep into the outer layer. Another optional step, saute it in a bit of oil until the outer layer is slightly golden. Now these rolls are delicious and ready to be served with your favorite dip or sauce, or you can just enjoy them as they are. Let us know if you want to see any other healthy snack alternatives, or feel free to share your healthy snacks in the comment section below. See you guys next week. Until then, have a great weekend.